Happy Mardi Gras! Hey everyone, this is Jamie Lee from Sim branch of the Mobile Public Library. Please join me today. I will show you how to make this one-of-the-kind beautiful Mardi Gras mask. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we are ready to make our own Mardi Gras mask. Now if you stop by at any branch of the Mobile Public Library, you can pick up this mask template. The first step is to cut these out, cut out the eyes and punch the hole and decorate. So the first step you do, you color. Then I have some sample here to show to you. This is several designs that we create. So feel free to use any of these designs or create your own copies. So the next step is you want to decorate this mask. So I will pick this one. I'll go ahead and punch a hole for a ribbon. Let's just go ahead, take the ribbon and pull through this opening. Flip one end about this far, then you'll tie a knot. Just be careful not to tie around this mask. You might tear it apart, and tie another hole and repeat the same step on the other side. The next step, we will decorate this mask with Mardi Gras beads and stick on rhinestone. Here I have some example that I made up. So we will try to duplicate these designs. So let's go ahead, find some beads and rhinestones. So here I have some already cut right here. So we're going to start off right in the middle. At this step here, you will need those guidance because you will be using hot glue gun. So I will put a dab of hot glue in the middle. Here's a trick I found is very easy to pick up these beads. I take a piece of masking tape and roll it like this, and then pick that up. See how easy that is? That's the first one. The next step, I will add this string of purple beads around this green one. So I'll go ahead and just apply hot glue. Now let's decorate the end of this mask right on both sides here. I have these 6 strings of beads cut out. So basically you will take 3 different colors, arrange them any way you like it. So I like to do them in diagonal fashion. Like this. So I'll go ahead and apply hot glue. And repeat the same step on the other side. Now we are almost done. This is the very last step. You will use feathers to decorate. So I will turn this mask over. You can arrange this feather any way you like it. And I normally put the big one in the middle and the two small ones on the outside like these. So you can go ahead and apply hot glue to the back on the very top in the middle. Put the one in the middle first. To give it a nice finish, I take a piece of white paper cut in this triangle shape, then glue to the back of these feathers. Now you have it, your own Mardi Gras mask. Happy Mardi Gras, everyone!